Hi there, my name is Darlan Pucci. Today I'm gonna make a Italian sausage, fresh Italian sausage with a Mexican cheese, spicy. Subscribe to my channel, my name is Darlan Pucci, follow me. I'm gonna make a fresh Italian sausage with cheese, and I'm gonna be a little hot. I'm gonna use Louisiana hot sauce. So the ingredients are, I'm gonna use 1 kilograms of pork shoulder only, no extra fat. I have here 20 grams of salt, kosher salt. I have here 2.5 grams of curing salt, number 1. I have 7 grams of garlic. That's normally a little more than I normally use, but I like garlic. Black pepper, 5 grams. I'm gonna toast it in a pan fry, and then I'm gonna grind. And 10 milliliters of Louisiana hot sauce. And finally, 7 milligrams of water. Gonna be very cold, I'm gonna keep in the freezer. The cheese I'm gonna use is a Mexican cheese, queso para freír, is cheese to pan fry, and I'm gonna dice in a little pieces. The meat is grounded. Now I'm gonna mix salt, curing salt, and black pepper with the meat. Mix well with the meat, the garlic, and the hot sauce Louisiana. And last but not least, the cheese. I'm gonna start to mix the meat and the seasoning, curing seasoning together, and I'm gonna add 70 milliliters of cold, very cold water. And I'm gonna mix all together for around 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the cheese into the meat and mix well. I left the meat in the fridge for 12 hours. Now I'm gonna put in the stuffer, and I'm gonna use hog casing, hog tripe. This one is 42 millimeters. Fresh Italian sausage with Mexican cheese, little spicy. Now I'm gonna put in the grill and try it. Spicy Italian fresh sausage with Mexican cheese. Let's try. Very juicy, smell good. You can see the little cheese pieces. It's slightly spicy. You can feel, but it's not that much. It's very good, very tasty, very flavorful. With cheese, awesome. Subscribe to my channel. My name is Darlan Pucci. Until next time.